What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Got a special unboxing look for you guys today. Yeezy, of course, back again with another 350 V2. So there were just a series of 350 V2s that were released in 3 different regions, but we have the Euro exclusive True Form that we're gonna unbox today. So say less with all this talking, let's get straight to these shoes. So we have the standard box top, pretty standard for all Yeezy 350s. Of course, this is a version 2, and please let me know what you guys think in the comments. But here we have the True Form Yeezy 350 version 2. And there was the True Form, the Hyperspace, and the Clay colorway, released in 3 different regions, but I believe that this one is the Euro exclusive. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments, but we have the fully prime knit upper that you guys can see here. We have the stripe, which is pretty much on the version 2s, this translucent stripe that runs through. It features a darker like peach, and then that runs into the lighter one, and then that takes you right there to the peach back tab that you guys can see. We'll take a look, classic to most 350 styles. You'll see the 3 stripes right there, also in the pull tab area. Tonal laces, so these laces are gray, and you'll see the gray throughout the entire upper with hits of what it looks like. It's like a green, like a neon green that you guys can see, but it's super understated, so you'd have to stare at these ones to grab a look at those. Let's get to the midsole, outsole. It's another hit of peach, or what looks like peach to me, that's what I'm calling it. We have the boost full on through. Let's get to the outsole as the translucent runs through the bottom, but as you can see, the translucent from the midsole to outsole, it varies and it's different. So we have the boost right there that you guys can see. We have the boost hit there. So here's one last look at the Yeezy 350 True Form. And also there's the Hyperspace and the Clay, all 3 released in different regions, but we are unboxing these, and we have these along with multiple other Yeezy styles right here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and or on YouTube. We appreciate you. Please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. And if you have any questions or inquiries regarding anything sneakers and or Stadium Goods, please visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salud.